Need some clarification on the operator in Python. I wanted to start by asking here about this. This was given to me as part of an exercise at Codecademy.com and confused me for the better part of an hour. Take a look at the following code block. Now, I evaluated that as being 8 equals 16, which is false. However, the Codecademy.com terminal says it's true. When I started writing debug code lines, I found the issue was in how -42 gets evaluated. When I run it on the terminal at Codecademy as well as on my local Linux system, -42 in Python comes out to -16, which is contrary to everything I have learned in all my math classes as well as every single calculator I have run it on. Whether I run it as -4 or -4 squared or even, using the x to the power of y key, -4, x to the power of y, 2, it still comes out as 16. So, how is Python coming out with -16 for -42? Can someone please clarify this for me? Tia.
If you have -4 without parentheses, the negative sign is considered a unary operator, which is essentially multiplied by -1. -4, 2 will be 16, because that is actually -4 squared, but -4 2 uses the normal order of operations, exponentiation before multiplication, and treats it as 4-2. Hope that helps. Edit. To really understand operator precedence, take a look at this handy list in the docs. This URL, as you can see, has less precedence than.
From the doc of power operator. The power operator binds more tightly than unary operators on its left, it binds less tightly than unary operators on its right. The syntax is: thus, in an unparenthesized sequence of power and unary operators, the operators are evaluated from right to left. This does not constrain the evaluation order for the operands. -1 2 results in -1. Emphasis mine. So, for getting the required result, you need to add parenthesis around -4.
Python isn't evaluating it as -4 2, it is evaluating it as 4 squared.